Hello students, today we will study the same chapter before the match. If you have not watched the first part, I request you to watch the first and then come back to this. So let's continue with the lesson.
Everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. The next morning he formed a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning and he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. Now, after coming out of the drill, he goes and joins the field for practice, and everyone were very happy to see him so early. Even Rajam was very happy, he jumped with joy. Now, the next morning, what happened was he formed a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. Now, he had escaped drill only for one day. Now, what about the other 7 days? He had to make some plan. So he planned something, and it was 7:30 in the morning, and he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. So he had woke up early and quietly he slipped out of the house and he went somewhere. And where did he go? He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board Dr. T. Kesavan, L.M. and S. Sri Krishna Dispensary. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. Hello, Swaminathan. What is the matter? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. What is the matter with you? I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union and I must have some practice. And yet, every evening there is drill class, scouting, some dirty period or other. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. He stood before a shop. He went and stood in front of one shop, and there was a board for that shop. And what did it say? Dr. T. Kesavan, L.M. and S. Sri Krishna Dispensary. So he went to a doctor's clinic and he saw that the doctor was alone and he was free. So he entered the shop. So when he went inside the clinic, the doctor saw him and he said, "Hello, Swaminathan, what is the matter?" He tells, so Swaminathan tells doctor, "I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. I need one certificate from you." So the doctor is again asking him, "What is the matter with you? What's wrong? What is wrong with your health?" So Swaminathan tells, "I will tell you the truth. I want to tell you the truth. I don't want to lie. I have to play a match next week against the YMU, that is Young Men's Union. And I must have some practice. Obviously, before playing any match, you have to have some practice. And yet, every evening there is drill class, scouting, and some dirty period." So he's telling after every class, and yet he's telling that every evening after school he has those drill classes and scouting and all this. So because of that, he cannot practice. So if you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win. That is his team, MCC. So now he is telling, if you can give me a certificate, a fake one, and in that you have to write after 4:30, let him go back home. If you give me like this, then obviously it will help my team to win. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomachache? The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest, and declared him to be in the pink of health, and told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evenings free. But the doctor said, "It is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I gave you any such certificate." So the doctor tells, "Obviously, I can give you a certificate, but what is wrong with you? What is wrong with your health?" So Swaminathan, he did not take even a half a second to answer that. He immediately said, "Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium." So he tells, "Sir, obviously, doctor, I am having delirium." So the doctor tells, "Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium?" So the doctor is asking, "Boy, you're saying delirium. What do you even know what is that?" So the boy tells, "I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomach ache?" So he's telling, "Isn't it some kind of stomach ache?" So the doctor felt it very funny and he started laughing. He laughed till he started coughing, and that coughing came to threaten to choke him. That is, he couldn't breathe. He was finding it difficult to breathe. Then after that, he calmed himself. Then he looked at Swami under the eye. He examined his tongue. He tapped his chest, and then he declared to be in the pink of health. Now, what is pink of health? Be in very good health. This is an idiom in the pink of health. So he tells, "You are perfectly fine. You are very healthy. And if you ask me, you will do very well if you stick to your drill. That is, if you go to these exercises, you will be perfect and your delirium, you will get rid of it. You won't have it anymore." So Swaminathan again explained to him like how important it is for him to be free in the evenings. So the doctor says, "You are all fine. I am not going to give you a fake certificate, because if I do this, then I will be prosecuted." What is prosecuted? Charged with a crime in a court of law. That is, there will be some action against me because I have given you a fake certificate, which I don't want. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? I wish you all success. Don't worry, I can't give you a certificate. But I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. So the boy asks him, "Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match?" So he's telling, "If you give me a fake certificate, who is going to understand that you gave me a fake certificate? And do you want our team to lose?" So the doctor says, "I wish you all success. Don't worry, I can't give you a certificate. Don't worry, I cannot give you the certificate, but I will talk to your headmaster about you and I will request him that you may be granted leave after 4:30. After the school, let him leave you free." So Swaminathan says, "Okay, that will do. You are very kind to me, doctor." He is very happy that the doctor is trying to help him.